Jatend migao mar teko Opiyo Wandayi osingo ne jo Kenya ni migao mare biro neno ni stima kolal to biro duogo mana bang' thuolo machuoka. Koduoko penjo ewi Lal Mar Stima chieng' tich adek otieno manokelo ng'ikruok e gwenge mathoth, Wandayi wacho ni omor kod kaka sitima ne oduogo bang' thuolo matin ne seche adek. Noloso e kar chung' od bura Mayata e kinde yango chenro mar rerek mar keto sitima e kor gwenge kama rerek osingo tudo teko sitima ne udi 4,000 e hiko mendani. Jaod bura Mayata Basil Ngui opuoyo sirikala kuom medo tudo teko sitima e udi makono, kwacho ni keto sitima biro jiwo rowere kendo biro nyuolo tije.
The frequency of blackouts has considerably gone down. And even in those few instances where there is a blackout, we have taken the shortest time possible to restore power. A case in point is last night, when power went off due to a technical hitch on the Tanzania-Kenya interconnector. Okay? And within a very short time, power was restored. And it was only part of the country, not the whole country, that was affected. So we are up to speed. If they happen once in a while, the power will be restored within the shortest time possible. We have got the capacity and the know-how.
In this constituency, we are investing 53 million Kenya shillings. And at the time we finish implementing the projects, we are going to have connected about 4,000 households.
When I imagine 635 villages, only connectivity is 20%. So today is the greatest gift we have gotten from the Kenya Power. I mean from REREC and also from the ministry. So ideally, what we urge the ministry to do is actually to expedite the process, because we need to connect at least the remaining 600 plus villages.